Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And as you can see, after clicking on shutter button, your device is taking photos right away after that. In order to set the camera timer, simply click on the settings. Then let's choose the camera. And here we've got the self timer, so simply click on it. And as I said, now it is off, and we've got other two options to choose from. We can either set 2 seconds delay or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick, for example, 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon has changed. Let's get back and let's click on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 and then it will take a photo. And as you can see, the photo has been taken. Let's get back to the settings. Let's go to the self timer and let me pick, for example, 2 seconds. Let's get back. And as you can see, the same situation, but now it is counting down from 2. In order to turn off the camera timer, nothing easier. Let's go to the settings again, click on self timer and click on off. Let's get back. And as you can see, from now on, your device is taking photos right away after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.